What's up everyone, welcome to another daily trading hub video. In this video I'm going to be breaking down silver. I'm looking for selling opportunity, massive selling opportunity for silver. I'm going to be doing my analysis, breaking it down and seeing how I'm going to be taking my sell trade for silver. So let's just go. Heading down to up to the monthly time frame, let's just compress our chart a little bit. We can see that silver is heading to an all-time high. Initial all-time high silver here was somewhere in April 2011, sorry, April 2011. Silver went to an all-time high around 49.8. So that was a silver all-time high around this region. And currently in 2025 right now, we're seeing silver coming all the way. Wow, that's a massive move for silver, heading all the way to the all-time high that was created in 2011. That's a long time. So what are we looking for, and why am I looking for selling opportunity on silver? So going to the monthly time frame, like there's no debating it. This is a strong uptrend all the way to the upside. So people that got in silver initially, maybe at $28, maybe at $22, maybe at $17, even at $39 or even at $45, everybody is typically targeting that psychological level, $50, $48, $50, around this level. So this level is a very critical level for the bulls and the bears to see what happens. But I'm looking for a selling opportunity, and this is how I'm going to be going about it. So on a monthly time frame, silver is very bullish. Silver is very bullish. Let's just scale down to our weekly time frame. On our weekly time frame again, silver is very bullish. Initially, silver was in this range, so you can see this lower zone, you can see this mid-range zone. So silver was in this range initially. Silver was initially in this range. It broke out of the range and it has had a massive push all the way to the upside. So this is the range. This was the range for silver initially, had a massive push, and now it's heading all the way to the upside. And currently, like I mentioned, silver is going to that psychological level or that resistance $50 level. So on a weekly again, nothing much to say. Silver is bullish. So on a daily time frame again, we can see that silver again is super bullish. Price is just heading straight up, straight all the way in a straight line, heading all the way to the upside. So I'm again looking for sells, because I mean the buying opportunity, the risk to reward on a buy, it has potentially reduced for me. I'm looking for a buy or a sell on silver. I'm not going to be taking any buys all the way to the upside, heading into resistance. So let's just go down to the 4-hour time frame, and this is where price begins to be very juicy for opportunity on this trade. So we can see the 4-hour time frame. We had a higher high, a higher low, another higher high, another higher low. Price again, higher high, another higher low. Then we're potentially going to put in a potential lower high, and then price begins to go down, or silver just goes all the way up here to kiss the resistance, which is the $50 mark, and then begins to drop. That is my anticipation for silver. Another thing that's giving me strong anticipation for sell on silver is this. So if you understand your divergences, this is what we call a bearish divergence. So the price of the asset is going up, but so this is a bearish divergence. The price of the asset is going up, but the momentum in which the asset is going is very low. So the momentum is down and then the price is going up. That's what we call a bearish divergence. And I can currently see one happening here on silver, telling me that the asset is becoming weak and is gearing up for potential reversal. So you can see here that even though the price of silver keeps making highs and highs here and potentially putting in another one here, I can see that the momentum is weakening and then price is likely going to reverse. So this is what I'm seeing for silver on a 4-hour time frame. Even though we're on an uptrend right now, we have to wait for the price to show us that the reversal is clear. So one of the two ways I'm taking it, like I mentioned, is price to kiss all the way to this $50, $49 area, risk region, and then come all the way down, and then we find our selling opportunity somewhere around here or go down. But if you are super aggressive too, once I see my confirmation somewhere around this level, I'm also going to be taking my selling opportunity. Also, it can also happen that price might not get there now. Price might decide to reverse from here, make a lower low, and then continue lower all the way down here before it maybe eventually going all the way up and then reversing finally. So this can also play out on silver. So I'm open. This level is a strong level that I'm currently watching. This 48 price has been acting like resistance around this level, and then currently price is also around this level. So I'm just watching this area very closely. I'm monitoring this level very closely, but like I said, I'm looking out for a selling opportunity on silver. I'm not going to be buying. The risk to reward to buying all the way up here is very low, but the potential to drop and then get a high risk to reward is very high. It's very high. So I'm looking for buying up a selling opportunity on silver. Price can either go up here, kiss this, and then come all the way down for a retest before eventually going all the way up again. So I'm going to be going down to the 2-hour time frame, and then anywhere around this region I'm going to be looking for my selling opportunity when I get my candle confirmation. So candle confirmation is bearish pin bar. Another candle confirmation is an evening star, and another candle confirmation is bearish engulfing candle. So these are the candle confirmations that I'll be looking for around this region to look for a selling opportunity for silver. My first TP, I'll be heading all the way down to around $45.9, and if momentum has more momentum to go down, then we'll look for our next TP and our next TP until we clear all this liquidity around this level, and eventually even head all the way down again. But we're going to be taking it level by level. Like I mentioned, if I'm watching for any price action around this level that gives me confirmation for entry, and my first TP is going to be $45.9 or $46. So till the next one, if you haven't joined, click on a link and join our free Telegram. I'm going to be updating this trade as it goes. So till the next one, peace. I'm out.